Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Kels and I do natural hair growth tutorial remedies, and I also do natural 4C hairstyles. So today I'm not showing you guys a remedy, but today I'll be showing you guys how I do this luscious and beautiful passion twist on my natural 4C hair. So guys, I actually did this hairstyle like 2 weeks ago. I wasn't going to post it, but I had an epiphany and I woke up this morning and I decided, okay, let's do the intro since I already did the process part. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this video because I really did enjoy doing this hairstyle. And let me tell you guys, 2 weeks and it's still standing. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All of these will help me to just motivate me more and also to help my channel to be seen to a lot more other persons. So guys, please do that for me. So let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, as you can see, I was super excited here because it's been a while since I actually did a video. So the first thing that I'll be doing, I'm just trying to do the rubber band section. So the pattern for this crochet braid hairstyle is that I'll be sectioning off my hair into 2 parts. I'll be doing the rubber band method at the front, and then I'll be attaching the ends of those hair from the rubber band to cornrow straight back in my head. So I'm so sorry guys for the poor quality I guess here, because I didn't realize I was so super close to the camera. Nevertheless, what I'm doing is I am making some sections from ear to ear. So I'm just parting my hair from ear to ear, and then I'm just going to secure them with the rubber band. What you're going to need to do is to grab your rubber band. You're going to ensure that they're oiled so that it's easier when it's time to take them down, and then you can use your gel, your jam, your shine and jam, whichever one you have, just to ensure that you have a cleaner part. So I'm just adding that to the hair now, and then I'm just sectioning off just to see if I needed to straighten the part or not. It doesn't have to be perfect, since once you put in the braids, it's gonna really cover up, but nevertheless you want to do it as best as you can. So I'm just ensuring that the line is as straight as possible. Once this is completed, I'm starting to make smaller sections at the front, in which I am just going to add the rubber bands to them. the front row is secured, I made another part behind it, and I am just trying to get the part as straight as possible. I'm not best with the parting, but nevertheless, after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna attach the first row of a rubber bands to the second row, just so you can, you know, go in a straight line. So that's just what I'm doing here, so you guys can just see that. So once that's completed, guys, this is how it's looking. 2 rows of rubber bands at the front, and I'm just going to comb out my hair now, and I'm going to start the cornrow process. Now if you have longer hair, you can cornrow them even bigger, because it doesn't really need to be super neat, or you don't want them to be super tight. So I'm not sure how much I had in total for cornrows here, but because my hair is on the shorter nature, I had to do that. So guys, to skip along, I started to add some of the hair. So guys, this is how you're going to add the hair. You're going to push the needle under the rubber band. You're going to attach the crochet hair. You're going to close it, and you're going to just pull it through. It's just as simple as that. So let me just show you guys one more time. So you grab your needle, you open the top section of the crochet hair, you're going to push the needle under the hair, add the hair to the hook, close it, pull it through, and then you're just going to add the ends of the hair back through the top of the loop, just like that, and then you're just going to pull it. So it's just like that, guys. So that's what I'm doing. And again, you're just going to open the top section of the crochet hair, push the needle under your hair, add the hair to the needle, close it, pull it through, open back the top of the crochet hair, add the end, and pull it through. Simple as a knot. That's basically all that we'll be doing. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to do the back section now, guys. I'm sorry I didn't have that video for it, but basically I just did the same pattern that I showed you here, so you can always re-watch it, because that's what I did through the entire section of my hair.
So I do hope you enjoyed this video, because I really did enjoy doing it for you, even though it was at last minute. I decided to post it. But remember, you can always, you know, help me out by liking, comment, sharing, subscribe. Bye guys.